హాయ్ అరే నేను విత్ ఇన్ 5 months ఐ విల్ గెట్ ద జాబ్ డెఫినెట్లీ. ఈరోజు జావా చదువుకొని వస్తా, రేపు ప్రజెంటేషన్ కూడా ఇస్తా, చూద్దాం మన ఇద్దరు లెవెల్ బాయ్స్. రైట్, విల్ చెక్ అవుట్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్, విల్ గివ్ నైస్ ప్రజెంటేషన్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు మై రూమ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ జావా. ఓకే, యా, ఐ ఓపెన్డ్ for first 5 minutes. Got bored. Watching reels. I forgot I have to read now. Again 5 minutes concentration. Very difficult. I will read tomorrow. I'll read tomorrow. Let's watch one movie. Motivational movie. How to become a hero. KGF. I have to do something. Again, I should get the job. 5 minutes. I will read. Again, my friend is calling me. Hello. చదివినావారా? నువ్వు చదవలేదా? నేను కూడా చదవలే. ఇద్దరం కలిసి బయటికి వెళ్దాం. We'll go to we'll watch movie together. So, yeah. So this is how we will do every day. Even me, one who is staying in hostel while preparing for interviews, every time, like, we will get easily distracted, and at the same time, the days will be passing on. We'll just count our days. Okay, I have completed my course 1 month. There is only 2 months. Okay, how to get the job? We'll be thinking out, we'll making plans, we'll not execute the plans. So this is how our keep on, like, preparation days will be keep on going on like this. We'll waste lot of time, and we also know that if someone questions us properly about our skills, whatever we are studying every day, if we are not able to answer them properly, definitely we'll get some kind of panic situation, like, I did not prepare. Yes, whatever he said is right. We'll agree with that, but we will not take any action. But it's very difficult just studying, opening your notes, just studying notes and practicing on the laptop. It doesn't take you for longer times. You cannot sit for long time and prepare for yourself. It will be very difficult. It will be very difficult to make your mind to sit for longer time and practice for more and more time. It's very hard. Even me faced a lot of trouble while concentrating on learning Java at the beginning. So at that time I faced a lot of trouble. One of my friends suggested that you are not able to control your mind while preparing for anything if you are learning anything new. At that time he suggested me, please make use of pen and paper. While learning, whatever you learn, write it on your notes and feel that you are trying to learn something and you are trying to solve something. It will help you out to sit for long time and practice for more and more number of times. It will be helpful. He said that I started doing that and I improved a lot. I am able to get all the core Java concepts as well as advanced Java and Java frameworks. This is true, guys. If you are not able to write, you cannot control your mind. Writing is a gift for us to control our mind. I remember during my intermediate and graduation, I used to avoid writing notes. I still remember I could not concentrate those 5 years properly. After the 5 years, when I started preparing for an interviews, one of my friends suggested writing will help you out to sit for longer time and concentrate more. I started doing that. Automatically, slowly I have improved a lot. The reason behind is very simple. Whatever we write, it's very important for us. At the same time, while writing, you feel it is very important matter that you are doing at that time. So automatically your brain will consider that activity, as well as it will consume that information, whatever you are writing, into your brain directly. Whatever you are writing, the content,
it will be stored in your mind for longer time. It will help you a lot to improve yourself in all aspects, not only in the core Java or any other programming language. So writing is gift for us. Please don't ignore that. While practicing also, you write with your pen on the paper. It will help you a lot. Typing on the computer, it doesn't help you anymore. I'm telling the truth. That's what helped me a lot to gain more knowledge, and I improved a lot. But still I have to improve more. Even I right now daily I would face difficulty while preparing for some kind of concept. At the time I would take my pen and paper and I used to write. This is the way I used to learn, which helped me a lot. I hope it will helpful for you also. Thank you guys.